I would like to plead with my colleagues who are in this committee today. I would say 90% of you are my friends, because we've grown together, we've been to school together. All these people are my friends. We are punishing the people of Nyamira. Can you people please sit down and as brothers and agree to solve this problem? Because it's political. This problem is not. I really want to plead with Chair and this committee that any recommendations that will be made should be recommendations to make sure that all of you can sit down as brothers and agree so that we can sort out. Nyamira is an embarrassment to me as a senator from Kisii. It is an embarrassment to our country because you deserve better. We know you have issues with the governor. We know you have issues with the sitting or the former speaker, whatever you call him. You're all children of the same mother. I beg you, be courageous enough to call each other even this evening, sit down, and please agree to sort out the Nyamira issue. But those are my last words, Mr. Chair.
My last
Senator
ones,
for Nyamira. Oh, okay,
you will be last, but yeah, we still have another senator. I also want to join my colleague from Kisii in informing the members. First, members of one assembly dividing themselves into two doesn't help the county. You are just destroying the county. We don't want to go to the extent of what do we do with this country? Do we close it? Do we wind it up? Because we have the powers to reach that level. We hope that when you go back, you will listen the way we have listened to you. We have asked you neutral questions and we have listened to you. Listen to one another. Because when it doesn't work, and when it will not work, then other methods will be used to resolve it. Please discuss and talk to one another. Talk to one another and resolve your issues. What we need is a devolution to work. Thank you, Chair.
Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, if allowed, Honorable Chair. I have a comment on a chair. If allowed, on a chair. Thank you, on a chair.
Were you invited?
Chair, can I proceed, Chair?
Are you invited? Please, summarize.
Thank you, Chair. Chair, I had not spoken throughout the proceedings. Let me say what we wish for. Chair, let me say what we wish for every devolved unit is that it works for the good of the Kenyan people in that county. But for this one, Chair, I think the theatrics are at another level. Yes. I'm sorry. Thank you.
Yes, Chair. At the end of the day, issues affecting Nyamira will be solved by the people who reside in Nyamira. That is me, Senator, you as honorable members of Assembly, and the Governor. Everything that you see making that count on the headlines for the wrong reasons will ultimately reflect on the leadership of Nyamira. The Constitution sets the executive and the county assembly. And the person who should be in the forefront in ensuring that there is unity, there is one assembly, is the governor. So I hope, Chair, at the end of these proceedings, we will get a solution that will give the people of Nyamira an opportunity to have one assembly. You can have disagreements. We disagree with Honorable Onyonka, but at the end of the day this afternoon, we'll retreat to one Senate, called the Senate of the Republic of Kenya. So despite the disagreements that you may have, please have one county assembly. The issues that have come here before this afternoon, if they are not resolved, they will degenerate to something worse.